Powered fans usually use way less electricity than you think, like barely making a dent in your monthly bill. So, if you want to keep cool without shocking your electric meter, here's the lowdown. Most standard powered fans run on about 30 to 70 watts when they're on medium speed, and some smaller ones might only use around 10 to 20 watts. Ceiling fans typically use more power, like between 40 to 100 watts depending on size and speed. The key to saving energy is running your fan only when you're in the room, since fans cool people, not spaces. Also, keep your fan blades clean because dust can slow them down and make the motor work harder. If you're picking a new fan, look for energy-efficient models. They'll have labels showing low wattage and good airflow. Using a fan with a timer or smart plug helps cut off power automatically when you forget to turn it off. Remember, fans use way less power than air conditioning, so they're a solid choice if you want to chill without racking up a huge electric bill. One of the biggest mistakes people make with powered fans is leaving them on all day long, which wastes electricity since fans don't actually lower room temperature. Just switch them off when you leave the room. Another common issue is buying a fan that's too big or too small for the space. If it's too small, it won't cool effectively, and if it's too big, it'll waste energy. To fix this, match your fan size to the room size, like a ceiling fan for bigger rooms and a smaller desk fan for personal use. Lastly, ignoring maintenance like cleaning fan blades or lubricating motors can make fans less efficient and use more power. Regular upkeep keeps your fan running smooth and saves energy long term. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors for any home improvement job, big or small. It also helps contractors connect with clients who need their services, creating a win-win for everyone looking to get projects done right.